Clue Giant Edition, How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to collect the suspect, room, and tool cards in your matching color as well as the matching foam tool. Lay out the room mats evenly in a circle, making sure the rooms with trapdoors are not next to each other. Shuffle, then place 3 evidence cards in a pile in front of each room. Place the tools in the center of the circle. Each player chooses a room and stands in front of it as their starting position. Only one player can occupy a room at a time. The youngest player goes first and spins the spinner, then performs the action spun. The actions are as follows. Move to the next room on the left. Move to the next room on the right. Spin again. Move to any room with a trap door. Take one of the tools from the center that is shown on that section of the spinner. If you already have a tool from that section, then you may swap it for a different one in that section if you like. If you already have a tool from a different section, then you must swap out your tool for one indicated on the spinner. If a tool is not available in the center, then you may not take it from a player. You may not move to a room that a player is already in unless you are holding a tool. If you are, then gently bump that player to the right or left and they move to the next available room. You then put your tool back in the middle of the circle. When you enter a room, look at any 2 evidence cards from that room's pile and choose one to keep. You may only hold a maximum of 4 cards. If you enter a room while already holding 4 cards, then you must discard 1 card before looking at the 2 new cards. Some cards are action cards you can use later. To use an action card, discard it to the center of the circle and do what it says. If you steal a tool from an action card and you already have a tool, then you must discard your extra tool to the center. Once you are finished moving and drawing cards, your turn ends and the next player to your left goes. The first player to collect a suspect, room, and tool cards in their matching color as well as the matching foam tool wins.